Don't ruin your life. Men, start this fast, easy workout. Being weak and out of shape can definitely ruin your life and can even end it prematurely. This applies to women also, but men are generally more interested than women in maintaining or increasing muscle mass and/or body fitness through physical exercise. Starting this one exercise-a-day routine immediately gets you on the road to being stronger. When I say immediately, you'll see what I mean. Here's how it works. You work one muscle group a day, doing as many repetitions as you can until failure. Every day you work another muscle group. When you've done them all, you start over. As you get stronger, you add repetitions or weight. That's it. That's the entire plan. Fast, simple, easy, effective. You will always have time to do at least one exercise because they take from about 2 minutes to about 10 minutes. If you have some physical condition that prevents doing a particular exercise, then do all the other ones. By the way, being too fat is not an excuse. If you're fat, you do each exercise as best you can. First, I'm going to list the exercises that use your own body's weight, then the ones using artificial weights. Some I'll explain, some you already know, others you can look up on the internet. 1. Push-ups. You know what these are. If you can't do even one, start by doing them with your knees on the floor. 2. Pull-ups. If there's no convenient place to do pull-ups, get a door frame pull-up bar from a sporting goods store, Walmart, or Amazon. Don't get one that relies only on outward pressure against the door frame. Get one that attaches with screws or the kind that hooks atop the door frame on one side but has the actual pull-up bar on the other side, which locks it in place. To find one, do an internet search for No Screw Door Frame Pull-Up Bar or Best Door Pull-Up Bar. 3. Get-ups. Starting from a standing position, lie down on the floor with your legs straight out and then stand up. Repeat. Eventually, start doing the martial arts version, which you can see by searching for Krav Maga get-up off ground or floor. 4. Squats or lunges. First, the simple squat. From a standing position, squat until your legs are bent at 90 degrees, no more, then straighten up again. When you can do 100 of these, start doing lunges. From a standing position, you take a step forward, then lower yourself until your front leg is bent at 90 degrees. Rise up and step forward with your other leg and repeat. To make it harder, after lowering your body, lift your back leg off the ground and raise yourself using only your forward leg. 5. Air bike. These are easier on your lower back than sit-ups. Lie on your back on the floor, lock your hands behind your head, and imitate a bicycle pedaling motion in the air, but with much larger circular motions. In the optimal version, you touch your elbows to the opposite knee when it comes back toward your head. 6. Fast walking. You should do this exercise whenever and wherever you can. Walk fast with long steps. It's extremely beneficial for both your body and mind. 7. Animal movements. Some of these are awkward at first, but they keep you strong and loose. They include the cat crawl, bear crawl, crab crawl, crocodile crawl, frog hop, and ape traverse. To see them done, find the YouTube channel called Strength Side, 2 words. There's a link in the description below. Now the exercises using weights. The most compact and least expensive weight is the dumbbell. You can buy dumbbells at Walmart or a sporting goods store. You can get the fixed weight kind or the kind where you can add weight. If you get the fixed, I recommend a minimum of 20 pounds or 10 kilograms. You'll get used to it quickly, and when it gets too easy to lift, it can still be used for shoulder joint rotator cuff exercises, which you can find on the internet. I also recommend getting a workout bench, which enables you to do many more exercises. Even better is a bench with a barbell rack at one end so you can use a barbell set. Even better than that is one that also has a leg extension setup. You don't need the absolute best version to start with. A cheap but sturdy bench is way better than none. By the way, I do not recommend getting a kettlebell weight for these exercises. A kettlebell will rotate in your hand as you use it, which 1, can be hard on your palms, and 2, reduces the leverage needed to lift it, and 3, allows it to swing and press or bump uncomfortably against your arms. So here are some basic dumbbell exercises. 1. Seated arm curl. Do a search to see it done correctly without body cheating. 2. Kneeling dumbbell row or bent over row. These 2 back muscle exercises are similar. Do a search. 3. Overhead press or shoulder press. When sitting or standing, hold 1 or 2 dumbbells at shoulder level, push straight up, and lower slowly. 4. Dumbbell flies. This requires a narrow bench and 2 dumbbells of the same weight. To see it done, search for dumbbell flies, or dumbbell chest flies, or dumbbell bench flies. 5. Upright dumbbell row. While standing, hold a dumbbell in each hand at waist height and lift them up along your body to shoulder level, elbows out, then slowly lower them. That's 12 basic body and dumbbell exercises to get you started. If you don't yet have any weights or a bench, do the no-weight exercises until you get them. As you progress, you'll probably end up doing more than 1 exercise per day because you'll improve quickly, but always do at least 1 per day. Now, a related subject, food. If you're fat, try the ketogenic diet, also shortened to keto diet, K-E-T-O. Basically, it's a high-fat, high-protein diet, eliminating carbohydrates as much as possible. Research it on the internet, try it, and see if it works for you. Okay, remember when I talked about starting this workout immediately? I wasn't kidding. You can start right now. Pause this video, get on the floor, and do as many push-ups as you can until you can't do 1 more. Go ahead, I'll wait. If you're through, you have actually started the plan. You're on the way to getting stronger, healthier, more confident, and more useful in the long term to yourself, your goals, your spouse, your children, and possibly the world. No kidding. Now, write down the exercises I mentioned, or copy, paste, and print out the list in the description below. Tape it to a wall where you can't fail to see it, and do the next exercise tomorrow. You always do at least 1 exercise every day, whether you feel like it or not. By the way, if you're over fat, check out Don't Ruin Your Life video number 73 to get a harsh reminder of not only the bad health-related effects of being over fat, but also the bad social effects and potentially the bad economic effects, which can alter your entire future. Okay, next exercise is tomorrow without fail.